everybody. Welcome to the kitchen. I'm super excited to be back, and today I am just finishing up a project for one of my favorite summer vegetables, corn. It's in and it's fresh, and if you want a fresh vegetable that has a really good shelf life, this is it. Because look, corn comes in its own wrapper. Now, here's the problem. This is a big bulky thing, and a lot of restaurants aren't quite sure how they're gonna get something like this on a plate, right? Like it's kind of long, it comes with its own like awkwardness, but you can always serve them individually. This looks great if you're a barbecue joint, you want to put that out on a tray. You can always just pull the husk back and tie it off so it's got its own little handle. All right, let's talk about elote. This is the finished elote. These are the ingredients for elote. It's kind of a traditional Mexican street food. It starts with mayonnaise, a little crema, a little cotija cheese, lime juice, cilantro, and then I like to zip mine up with a little bit of cumin, sea salt, and some chipotle powder. So I stir that all together, and that becomes the coating for the elote corn, right? So our corn comes off the grill, we spread that around on it, we top it with a little cheese, and it's good to go. You want a cheat trick? Check this one out. Instead of the crema and instead of the mayonnaise, I used the Monarch Hollandaise sauce. So we get the Hollandaise sauce with that rich, great, creamy flavor. It still gives us the color. It's still gonna coat the corn perfectly. All right, everybody, so I got my cooked corn. I cut it into wheels this time, so it's a little bit more manageable, not quite that ginormous presentation. And if I'm gonna do it as an appetizer, I'm just gonna coat that corn with that elote made with the Monarch Hollandaise. I'm gonna get a little extra on there so people can kind of smear that around. We're gonna put some more of the cotija cheese and some cilantro on the plate, and then maybe a little more cotija cheese just for fun. And there's another great presentation for elote corn. You can do the whole cob, you can do it as an appetizer, super versatile. And think about this, in the day and age of everything's gotta be ready to go in a to-go box, corn travels great. So have a great time this summer. Think about corn as a fresh vegetable for your restaurant, and we help you make it.